Abu Yura transfers in Imnian share the Koso and Mr. TD free Chelsea.
Oh, okay.
Moises Caicedo. A lot of people are worried. Omo bisebiso omo ho se ebebem ana embem na de na ekwakosi na player na ye ne den. The point is that and anopa Chelsea and omo financial department, you know, they are seriously scrutinizing. Say omo this can become the financial implications on the club until they are studying that process. Was the transfers, you know, I had 9 years straightforward to say the any who no. Yeah, the idea so Brighton policy of Muji to Kotiada call. Before that Chelsea did £10,000, £20,000, £30,000 back on. It needs to be studied by the financial department, and then they will give a sound advice. So go ahead and then do that. And also no, it might take days. Let me cite this example with Andre Onana deal. There were 11 people directly involved in the deal, both within and then outside Manchester United and Inter Milan. 11 different people, not directly. No, mo can say common home. And direct no indirect for any day. It was number close to 30. It took United 43 days to get the Onana deal complete.
43 days.
43 days.
And I'm you Onana.
Exactly. No Onana de Enokrano. It was straightforward. Say Intenya or Beton. In the case of Chelsea and then Brighton, among Brighton for an Chelsea for say yeah tongue. Onana Inter wanted to sell because they needed to make money. Brighton don't need money. Among your desperate so Onana de Enokrano muda hono. 43 days, 11 different people. Now Moises Caicedo there, yenya abutre. These are the details concerning Onana. It started with Yalchin Sarika. Yalchin Sarika, yeah, an agent. Oye Juma de Ma Wasserman. Formerly known as SEG Nedin Komo. SEG for na omo represented Eric Ten Hag. Now there's Yalchin Sarika. When Onana come on started free you. Ofre Eric Ten Hag. No need din come about Denzel Dumfries. And to Denzel Dumfries in Komono. Now it's a Ten Hag neni head anjo. And a copy of Piamana wake up also said, na Andrew Nana Korano, interphoning your beton. And Ten Hag ni Monana on a Jumadada. So he was keen on Andrew Onana. And I was, oh, Sadia. Miss McCarthy and call for near started to one among. This was somewhere June 5, 2023. Bare 5 days to the Champions League final. And as I'm common course. Now, as June 5, no, it would take them close to June 22nd. From June 5 to June 22nd, and Sanoma Bedin commanded their call a certain level. And check you, how many days in between? Ten Hag saw catch and call for the Niger from June 5 to June 22nd, June 15 10 days.
Yes.
And close to 20 days. And some are the first way in a year, because on United's books, it was about renewing the year. But after FA Cup final, United says so much about the status of the year. So I'm going to renew so and then they relegate him to number 2. So United named Mike Mignon, Eddie Nkomo in May. So say United and Kobeto goalkeeper, it was Mike Mignon, not Andrew Onana. But I'm always there, Mike Mignon born Eddie. So they started to look for options. And at Ten Hag, this uncommon boom. So June 22nd now Mekano. Anna Albert Botines. On an idea Onana call Inter Milan. Or fly call Manchester. And on a Steve Brown. United on head of recruitment. Echo di Onana home come. Even some common crano Ejigui. Ankosife. There were no positive talks held between Steve Brown and Albert Botines. And due to say maybe Onana Babes an agent. It was because of these arrangements. So Albert Botines went first. And then almost sounds so bad in Komobio. Yalchin Sarika ya me boni dino. On John Morris. Sarika assured Onana said he would take charge of the transfer into Onjai Albert Botines Nechidi. Then John Morris also came in because Omi Inaye Jumama was a man. Now Omo Fasanyom Nipa Mienoni because of one. Sarika and Ten Hag and Onana Edilipen because they were under the same agency at SEG. John Morris also knew how to deal with English clubs. On another day, Graham Potter, every Brighton about Chelsea. So on him how to deal with that. Intomumi and should deal with the two transfers. So Sarika, Onana, and Ten Hag, they talked on their end. Anna John Morris, any Manchester United ni Inter Milan, Enzo di Omonko. Onana Ten Hag was share Amsterdam. Aya Sarika na arrange here. Then John Motov, Enzo ne Pierre Osilio, Enzo share. That meeting was facilitated through John Morris by another agent. Your friend Frank Trimboli. Exactly the point.
Very, very interesting. Story we are Michael Cano, Mama Kaya, we don't crab at the bro.
Exactly.
And to the THO, now they don't watch time now. Wait for Fabish.
Sir, Inter, any Manchester Bishia one agent had to use another agent to get that meeting possible.
Wow.
And Frank Trimboli be engaging in ano, Anna Osilio ne John Motov Tnasi Din Komo, and Komo no Ansansu and CP. Because Inter, say, United Sweden say. So along the line, na Manuel Melgu. Then Inter leaked to the media outlets in Italy say in na United Sika no man to say I am to do their bidding. Because who did in common drew stage beer, you engage the media to work in your favor because Sika ebi a wo na wo to a opese sika ne ba down. So my media no spinning angles no. So also na wo ton opese sika no caution to my media no so work it towards your favor. Omo wie no then July 5 Anna United making the first verbal offer for Andrew Onana. Or making offer it take 2 weeks no be until she be. You better and to Onana no why no afraid and he called Ten Hag 2 times for assurances. Said you never fa and never. Then internet man you beji to say we are agreeing at a base fee, but we will negotiate upwards or downwards. Then Ebedru Richard Arnold, on the chief executive man Manchester United, say on no shame. Say United sub base fee no say 40 million, so only 2 million they can want. What are the financial implications? Even at Chelsea and Brighton, they are not good.
Oh, okay.
There is a base fee. Brighton wants more. Can Chelsea exceed that 70? So the 5 they can or the 6 they can wear back up see sign the amano. Inti Holland common could United chi Richard Arnold the SA money in ano. Then Omoma Hargreaves on the head of negotiations with United. On you Nana and negotiated for the personal terms. And John Morris represented Onana. And Tisiko Onana J ewo interno name drew 100,000 euros a week.
They are not due interno.
Yes.
But it doesn't know you are.
I bet J close to 200,000 pounds.
Hey.
Into my double in the amount. By United the performance say be a performance related clauses are the shame. And the trigger managers and
don't yes or buy or Arabia fans say or that 30 matches are yeah the bonus kakrabe can home if you Onana shegu see ya yeah they be or chip penalty or the edge trophy see ya
now Hargreaves ni Onana etna say discuss personal terms no omo ye corner brass 3 times. First proposal Onana njantum, second one Onana se monse sakakra, third time ansa no oje atum. Interno crowd no dry draggy ya. Then Omobeji 2 million say United it 51 plus 4 million no. And also near Joe Glazer man signing or America. Etiana Joe as no fast tracking BB or the bar. Monday ni July 18 Omobabedi. So from June 5 to July 18. Check the number of days. Check the number of people involved. In the transfers, and you're so straightforward, sir. And United will end up paying more than the 55 names of Mutia for Nana. Where Mokika agent fees ni commission bomwa. Ebeko be 70.
Yes.
So let's relax. Now transfers and yes so plain forward. And yes sanity. Ye nyano titrasa. So Chelsea are still studying the Moises Caicedo proposal. Yambon Paya se bibia betimi afa to Harry Kane. And come a course between Joe Lewis and Daniel Levy in Mebaso. But Harry Kane's wife, your friend said Katie Goodman. What caught me ko survey say and be all the same. So or kwa a dying war there no met me rent or mutinema and one betomo. How close is the place to certain areas? Security once and some wakoi obana kwayesa weni na. Then schools is where Bembaya ne money betting Yakobi. Harry Kane is a family man. On fat nebusi asemu fendi agro. So he was a mover. And fa a problems beyond family ne family. One in terms of them feeling settled. survey. Is this the clearest indication say Harry Kane will move to Bayern Munich? Well, in common in here. Diana Levini Joe Lewis Koshia, no moody Tottenham who Sika in common. Now, Sika common is a real season. Tottenham did not get Champions League. And the more income in in terms of revenue generation. So they were looking at ways in the next financial year, Tottenham will not be in the red in terms of more finances. Now, a year Joe Lewis is steady way now, no who 100 million asset, 100 million players and throw within share balance sheet museo way buonio. But that 100 million a year asset has a 1 year depreciation. Say 1 year ni tremwa ni value na swat kura no bisa any a chain. No say if possible, Tottenham should table a proposal to Harry Kane until we mark the green light and now they go ahead say more man an improved offer. Say 300,000 or 500,000. But say on this says he can't dare consider selling him.
Oh, okay.
So that was what came from Joe Lewis to Daniel Levy. So Levy, you can't say Kokoton. You say try and convince him to renew, and Tottenham are ready to pay, so that the valuation of Kane will push from the £100 million to maybe around 150 million, which is good for their financial books. And the financial share na koye. But Bayern for no so GDM apase. San komo we akoso. It is the beginning of Harry Kane's end as Spurs, and then the beginning of a new adventure in Munich, because Omujidi say Harry Kane na mo assurance say he will not renew ewo a year Tottenham. Enti so one free what this summer man tona next summer Boba free. So if Tottenham are considering the finances, then they will also want to relax and make a third bid. So this week the third bid will move from Bayern as to Ediako. But Ndrusa £100 million.
Oh, okay.
And it's likely Levy will reject it. Ghana for me nusu di ba a transfer and common. They are in the list of clubs. One Fulham and Chelsea. Fulham then you Mohammed Salisu. Fulham needs a central defender. Now Omoko Ayaso any Omoko Kodin Komo about Calvin Bassey. And Omane Salisu din Komo. Tentatively, they agreed a fee with both clubs, Southampton and Ayas. But Calvin Bassey didn't now quite nimpa because Omu se a kwine da hokakra. Ayas for 1% more tomboy, no. So if the Calvin Bassey operation works, which is very close, very 80%, then Salisu didn't die down kakra unless so Omu ton Tosin Adarabio and Nama Spurs. If they sell, then they will pursue Salisu as well. So Salisu Diano now is hanging in the balance.
Oh, okay.
Kudus Diano. Chelsea acquire one in a dinkomo. Chelsea are contacted the reps of Kudus and so a table offer. Kudus, a mobile underage game, maybe no catch I ask for and say he will want to move if Akonya Neba. Now Morris Stein is to confirm where they are the Telegraph. The situation of Kudus is that Ophili say or call IAS and in the progress no, it has become stunted. Obeba no atina bench. Obeba no atina bench. So who say club name placing high. If that sporting assurance comes from IAS, yeah, Mawatina will make you a key figure. Ewa squad ni one. He will consider, but not just that, the money aspect. Because he cannot Chelsea day mano, was through. But the Ebeha Kudus Kakran said Chelsea have not made Kudus a priority. Or more players be less so, and one of them is Michael Olise, the Obo Edema Crystal Palace.
Yeah.
Yes, Olise is also on that list. And to what Tiendra Olise home command is because Chelsea are studying the options on that particular.
That's where so Man City for seven.
Yes, and to many player back it is not like the Caicedo operation now. Chelsea have made Caicedo a priority. Kudus is not a priority.
But depending on other ones,
so they will study. Omedi Olise home come, Omedi Kudus home come, Omobe study the financial way or the Obiasu to me a scouting report near there. So technical aspect Omo consider, financial Omo consider, and some Omo who say way and a year panel. So 2 Ghanaian players are in the news, but they are not priority targets in the clubs are or more air pair almost on best sign.
Mate, Mera City, I know your Michael Boadu. Now, we come pay the amount.